Hi everyone, my name is Parker Benthin and I'm with Brondell. And we're getting ready to celebrate 60 years of innovation in the kitchen and bath industry at KBIS 2024 in Las Vegas. Come visit us in the North Hall at booth N927 in February. We'll be launching our brand new innovative Nebia 5th generation water saving shower heads and how we're on our way to save 1 billion gallons of water and 31,000 tons of CO2 by the end of this year. Come explore our next generation of planet-friendly bidets, water filtration systems, and exciting solutions for commercial spaces. Come interact with our new shower heads and learn about our commitment to 1% for the planet and our impact on the environment. Brondell is honored to be part of KBIS's 60th celebration. Come see us in the North Hall at booth N927 and say hello.